Hey, welcome back to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, and trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so you can easily choose the best watch for yourself in the comfort of your own home. We offer the lowest prices anywhere online, and if you'd like to know the price, simply click on the links in the description below. We greatly appreciate if you'd purchase your next watch from us at JazzTime.com. Today we're going to be looking at a 42mm Speedmaster Moonwatch chronograph with a black index dial. Model reference number for this watch is 310.30.42.50.01.002. The retail price on this watch as of 2022 is currently $7,200 US. So I'll be going over all the aspects of this watch: case, bezel, dial, crown functions, as well as the movement and the bracelet. And I'll give you some of my thoughts on the watch throughout the review. Now, the Omega Speedmaster Moonwatch is a very popular watch model. This has been around for many years, ever since the space launch for the Apollo missions. Now, the case of this watch is made of stainless steel. You can see the side of the case has a satin finish on it, and the lugs have a high polish on it. Wraps around to the legs. Nice finish on that. There's a screw down case back in the back with a manual wind movement. So you notice that there's no rotor back there. This watch is water resistant up to 100 meters or 330 feet, so it's okay for you to go swimming with this watch on your wrist. It should hold up just fine. You're just probably not going to be going diving with this watch on. So the bezel here that you're looking at is a tachometer bezel. It's functional. It actually goes along with the chronograph that you see here on the dial. Going to the dial, we're looking at this black index dial with white indices. It's a classic look that everybody recognizes with the Rolex Speedmaster or the Omega Speedmasters. There's lume on the dial at the hour markers and also on the hour and minute hands, so it's going to be easy for you to actually read this watch in the low light conditions. The crystal on this watch is actually made of sapphire. That makes it scratch resistant. The original Moonwatch had a Hesalite crystal, which is basically plastic. You can't have sapphire glass in space, as it's pretty dangerous if it were to shatter up there. So that's why they use Hesalite for the space missions instead. Now, the crown here at the 3 o'clock position can be wound in its first position. You can hear it wind there. You probably want to do a full wind, being that this is a manual wind. It only has about 50 hours of power reserve, so you're going to find yourself winding it every 2 days about. The second position on this is going to adjust the hour and minute hands, like so. Once you have your hour and minute hands set, you can go ahead and press down that crown and your watch is set. Like I said, the movement that runs this beautiful watch is a caliber 3861. It has the hour, minute, center seconds function, and chronograph. The power reserve, again, is 50 hours, so because it's a manual wind, you're going to find yourself winding it every 2 days. Now keep in mind that the Moonwatch that went into space was also a manual wind. Winding rotor doesn't work very well in outer space, so they're trying to keep it true to the roots, with the exception of the Hesalite crystal is now a sapphire crystal for just wearing on an everyday basis down here on Earth. Now, under the bracelet that holds this watch, we're looking at a stainless steel professional bracelet with a half polish. And between those satin finish of the links, you'll see high polish mirror finish on the inside links. I like the contrast. You'll see this deployment buckle here. If you haven't noticed, this bracelet does feel a little bit narrow. I think they're actually just going along with the how it worked back there in the 60s. Everybody had like a narrower bracelet. Nowadays we're probably looking at maybe 2 more millimeters of width to the bracelet in modern watches. The deployment buckle does open up and close. It's a fold over. Yeah. So this bracelet does remind me of a vintage bracelet, being that it's so narrow, but it does have modern appointments such as screws instead of pins on the links. Now, as far as what I think about this watch, overall, this watch is a watch that people would like to have, probably as a second watch, because being that if it's an everyday wear watch, you'd probably want it automatic with a date. This does not have that, but it's good for a weekend watch. Now, if you want to know where to get this watch, we have it on our website at jazztime.com. Model reference number again is 310.30.42.50.01.002. This is the stainless steel Moonwatch with sapphire crystal. Again, we're an online store, so you can visit us in the comfort of your own home. Go to jazztime.com. Thank you for watching.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists. If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in JazzTime, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.